Good day, everyone. Today's topic is bearing and distance. I'm going to consider this example. An aeroplane flew from a city X on a bearing of 225 degrees to another city Y, a distance 200 kilometers away. It then flew from city Y on bearing of north 30 degrees west to city Z on a distance of 250 kilometers. Calculate 1. The distance from city X to city Z corresponds to the nearest whole number. And while the second question says the bearing of city Y from city Z. Now, before we proceed on, we will need to interpret this question in a diagram form. That is the only way we can solve this question, because the formula we are going to use to solve this question have to do with diagram solution. So I will start with the airplane flew from city X. We have city S. Let's have a city S with a cardinal point of north, south, east, west. Then on a bearing of 225 degrees. Knowing fully that from the north to east is 90 degrees. Then from east to south is 90 degrees. The sum of these two angles will give us 180, meaning it's not up to 225 you are looking for. So by adding this angle from south to west, 90 degrees, we'll have a 270 degrees, which is eventually more than 220. So we take our 225 degrees away from 270. We have 5 here, then we have 6, 4. So we take away 45 degrees from this to give us 225. Then 45 degrees means the bisection of southwest. This is. So this is eventually from here, the airplane flew from here to this place to make angle 225 degrees. So having done that, this automatically gives us the bearing of city Y. City Y. So we have our city Y here. Now the bearing of this place to this place is 220. Automatically this place will give us 45. Because from here to here is 45 degrees. Alternative angle will give us 45 degrees here. Now, north, knowing where that this is our north, south, east, and west. We proceed on the question. It said to another city Y, a distance of 200 kilometers away. This place is 200 kilometers. Then it flew from city Y, that is, it took off from here from city Y on a bearing of north 30 degrees west. North 30 degrees west. That is, the reading came and will come from north to west 30 degrees. The 30 degree is this. So we have 30 degrees here, according to the question. Having done that, to the city Z on a distance of 250 kilometers. 250 kilometers. Then let's have here we have city Z. This is north, south, east, and then west. Now, having done that, say the distance, we should calculate the distance from city X to city Z. This is this distance. Good. The distance from city X to city Z. Now, from the triangle, from spectrum of the triangle, the sides that face the angle, this angle here, representing angle Y, which is the sum of what? 70 degrees. This place will be what? Small y. That is the size of the angle Y. This place will be our x, the value of x, the distance between there is small x, which is already given 250 kilometers away from city x and city z and y. That's the angle here is this. Then for the side of z, it will be this place because this side is facing this angle. So having locate the side, the angles, and the distance. Now to answer the question 1, the distance from this place to this place is using cosine rule to solve the problem. To solve the problem, we have to look for y. So we have y squared is equals to x squared plus z squared minus 2xz cos y. This is the cosine rule. Now our y squared is not given, our x squared is given, and our x is given as 250 kilometers. So we have 250 kilometers squared plus the z, which is given as 200 kilometers. So we squared it because from the formula we have x z squared minus 2 in bracket of 250 and then 200 representing the value of z. Then we have cosine the angle of y, and the angle of I is given to us as 45 plus 30, which is what, 70 degree. So we have cos 70 degree. By doing this, we will have, by doing this, so please back to the cos 70 is 75. The addition of angle is 30 plus 45 gives us 75. So doing that, the square root of this is this, which is 62,500. The square root of 200 is 40,000. The square root of the multiplication of 2 multiplied with 250, 200 give us 100,000. Then the cos 75 give us 0.2588. By multiplying that with 100,000, we have 25,880. Adding this together, which gives us 102,500. Subtracting this from this, we have 76.620. Note that we are looking for the y, and we have y squared. So our y value will be square root of 76.620. And by using a calculator, the square root of 76.620 give us 8.775. So the addition, subtracting this from this, we have 76,000, not 76.26. 76,000. So square root of 76,000 will give us 276.80. Knowing that the question says you should have our answer in nearest whole number. So we approximate this to nearest whole number. We have 27, this is 8, then convert to 1, means 277 kilometers. That is 277 kilometers as the value of y. I will stop this video here. Then for the completion of the video, we'll see in the next class to see the solution of the second question. I would like to subscribe so that you can have the complete solution of this question. Thank you for being with me for this video today. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you, and God bless you.